Hi there! Welcome to your Reputation Dashboard. This product is a comprehensive solution that allows you to monitor and respond to online reviews on sources important to your business, manage your online listings, such as your name, address, and phone number found on sources like Google Maps, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. Compare your business to competitors. Get notified anytime your business is mentioned online, and track social media activity of your business and your employees. When you first open the dashboard, you will land on the Overview page, which provides a summary of recent activity as well as analytics of the product. Need help? Locate the question icon in the top right of your window. Let's take a look at the Reviews tab. Customer reviews can have a significant impact on your business's reputation, which can ultimately affect your revenue. With this dashboard, you can monitor online reviews from various key sources across the web. Under the Manage Reviews sub-tab, you'll see the average aggregate rating of all of your reviews from the review sites pulled in through the Listings tab, along with the total number of reviews. Compare yourself to the industry average and take action. Start by analyzing the word cloud. This will pull in common phrases used in most of the reviews left by your customers. Use this to take corrective action at your business. For example, if you notice one of your employees' names showing up in big red letters, you can assume that most of your customers are having a bad experience with that employee. It's also important to start responding to reviews. Recognizing customer feedback, both good and bad, is an excellent marketing opportunity for your business. If you don't know what to say, you can find some helpful tips here. Once done, you can mark the reviews as responded here. This will help you keep things organized. Now for the Widgets sub-tab. This is where you go to set up a review display widget on your website. Have a bunch of great reviews? Put them on your website. Use the review widget to display your best reviews on your homepage and showcase your company's great service. Under the Statistics sub-tab, you'll be able to see your business reviews showcased over time. Understand points in time where you are receiving bad reviews or no reviews. Or maybe you're looking to measure the impact of leaving text message marketing to request more reviews. You can see the results here. Now for listings. It is important to ensure that your business is listed on as many relevant listing sources as possible, and that key data such as your name, address, and phone number is accurate and consistent. The Primary Listing sub-tab analyzes your key information on relevant search engines, review sites, directories, and social media sites, and shows you whether your business information is accurate, found with possible errors, or not found. We're matching the sites with the info provided in the section at the top. To correct or claim listings, click the drop-down, then edit your listing or create a listing. This will take you to the source where you can log in or create an account. Once done, you can paste the URL of your not found listing right here, or wait 24 hours for the software to find the correct details of your listing that was found with possible errors. As you update and claim listing sources, your overall listing score will improve. With our deep knowledge, combined with reputable sources, we've identified the most important business directories. We then assign scores to each site based on its popularity. This research has led to a score that accurately reflects the ever-changing local search environment and continues to adapt to those changes over time. Try to at least surpass your industry's average and aim for the 95th percentile. Some of the more well-known sources, such as Google Maps and Facebook, will award you more points than others, so make sure those are corrected first. Now, let's look at the Citations sub-tab. Citations are all of the websites that display your business's phone number. These are typically smaller, hyperlocal, and industry-specific sites. Our system pulls in tons of interesting information, so it's worth exploring. Lastly, in the Statistics sub-tab, you can monitor the listing score and the total number of citations found over time. The Competition tab is a great place to keep tabs on other companies in your area or industry. Here, you can monitor your business's presence on search engines and compare it with your competitors. You can also benchmark your social media audience against that of your competitors with a social audience. This information lets you know whether your customers are finding your business online instead of the competition. Get started by going to your Settings tab and locating the Competition sub-tab. Add in relevant service categories to your business, along with up to 3 competitors. You can also add the URLs of their Facebook and Twitter pages. Once done, click Save. The information in the charts might take a minute to populate. Let's check out the Mentions tab. Many people express their opinions on websites, blogs, news articles, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Wouldn't it be great to know what they're saying so you can manage your online reputation? With the Mentions tab, you can discover what people are saying about your business, positive or negative, and maintain your reputation across the internet. To bring in the most relevant mentions of a business, it is best that the search criteria is as specific as possible. Get started by clicking on the Mentions sub-tab within your Settings tab. Now, how would someone reference your business in a news article, blog, or web page? Effective search criteria will include your business name, alternate business names, or nicknames, and the names of key people that influence your reputation, like the CEO, general manager, or key staff members. For example, a physician may want to include their name as well as their practice. You can enter up to 25 mention searches in total. Use the must include and must not include keywords to eliminate recurring irrelevant results. Remember that very broad searches will pull in irrelevant and useless results. You don't want that. Mentions will begin to populate in about 15 minutes, but can take a bit longer depending on how much content about your business is online. Once ready, click on the Mention sub-tab to keep track of the feedback by tagging each mention and adjusting the sentiment. The Social tab is where you can monitor likes and followers over time. Let's take a quick look. On the right, you can easily filter through your different social profiles. You can also focus on social activity within a specified date range. Even if the social site listings were found in the Listings tab, it's best practice to connect social sites here, as the dashboard can then bring in posts almost instantly and provide more accurate graphs. You must also authenticate your Facebook account to pull in Facebook star-only reviews in the Reviews tab. If you're looking to connect accounts, head to the Settings tab and click the Connect Accounts sub-tab. Under Employee Monitoring, connect the social profiles or pages you wish to monitor. Want to find out what your employees are saying about your business? Monitor their accounts if you'd like. The last sub-tab is the Statistics. You can view stats for your social profiles and compare your presence against the industry average. The graph is also interactive, so hovering over the date will display that activity. If you're ever wondering where to go when looking to connect social media accounts, filter listing websites, change competitor information, or monitor search terms online, head to the Settings tab. The Settings tab is located at the very bottom of your sidebar. If you're missing information in your dashboard or you don't see something you saw in this video, it's likely not configured yet in your settings. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy logging into your reputation dashboard each day to monitor your business's online presence. Start taking control of the conversation about your business online.